Well, the water's so much higher now. And it seems I'm in over my head. And then I see someone far away. And I'm scared of your silhouette. But then I see that you're not a ghost at all. You hold out your hand and you stand. If I